Monster give you or your band that much-deserved radio airplay. Submit your original songs now by visiting facebook.com/indiegroundph. Facebook.com/indiegroundph. The Monster believes in the future of OPM. Indie Ground PH. Indie Ground, only on Manila's hottest Monster. RX 93.1.
What happens when the biggest artists step off the stage and into the Monster booth? You get music performed live right in front of the mic. Monster. RX 93.1 brings you the best of the concert series 2025. The best of the concert series 2025. It's a special show featuring your favorite artists playing exclusive in-studio performances. Raw, real, and only heard right here. A Monster exclusive. Catch the best of the concert series 2025. Part 1 on December 22nd and Part 2 on December 29th from 7 to 8 p.m. Hosted by me, Rico Robles. Live music the way it's meant to be heard. The Monster way. Only from the season's hottest, Monster. RX 93.1.
What happened? What happened on the Morning Rush?
Yeah.
Speak of mga online, di ba, tawag doon e-living.
E-living.
Oo, e-living. Kasi nga parang siya, yung merong, they put
Up
parang
during the
a cam.
interment.
Internet, kahit yung wait, they call it
E-living
e-living.
na
Oo. Parang, they don't call it e-lamay, e-living. Kakatawa yung word na living, no? Parang like living, but they're no longer living.
That's true.
Diba?
Quite the opposite.
Yung parang opposite siya. They're no longer living. Hindi na sila living thing.
Bakit living? Ang dark.
Ang dark.
Ang aga.
Kasi diba? Oo nga, no? They're no longer living.
That's
Wala na
true.
sila sa land of the living.
Wala na sila sa... Baka yun. Kasi they're... Hindi. They're leaving. They're leaving this They're leaving the land of the living.
The living.
Ano ba? Ano ba usapan to? Is it Christmas Eve or
Diba
All
Christmas
Saints
Eve?
Day?
Oo nga eh.
Oh
Sige.
my God.
Magagalit ba?
Parang it's very undas coded.
Parang yan, isa pang mind-blown yung undas. Pag sinabi mo, papaliktad. Sad, no?
No. Kasi mismo sila. Ang undas. Sad, no?
Gusto ko yun. The first time I read that. Sad, no?
Sabi to rin ni Reynolds, I want to have what you guys are having.
The Morning Rush. The Morning Rush. KBP Golden Dove Awardee for Best Comedy Program. Catch it Monday to Friday, starting at 6 a.m. on Manila's hottest Monster RX 93.1.
The search for the Monster Scholar for the upcoming semester of school year 2025 to 2026. The search for the Monster Scholar.
I'm Eliza Daos. I'm 21 years old. I am taking up AB Journalism. I am a fourth-year student from the University of Santo Tomas. Before pa po ako mag-first year, like nung nakapag-down kami, nag-apply na po ako agad for scholarship kasi alam ko na po agad na hindi namin kakayanin. That time, nagpa-plan ako. Parang nire-ready ko na yung sarili ko na aalis ako ng UST kasi alam ko po talagang hindi namin kakayanin kapag hindi ako natanggap sa scholarship ko sa UST na 100% na tuition. Student assistant po ako. Mag-duty ako sa library para wala na po akong tuition na babayaran. So in return lang, I have to render 24 hours a week na service sa university. Dahil nga po from Nueva Ecija ako, tuition lang po yung yung libre ko. Pero lahat ng living expenses ko, like allowance, nagdo-dorm po ako kasi wala naman po kaming kamag-anak na malapit. So ngayon po, dahil nga fourth year, nagtitesis po kami. Like grabeng gastos ang thesis po. Grabeng work. Tapos, as a journalism student po, hindi naman po kami like nagsistay lang sa room para matuto. Like, umaalis-alis po talaga kami. And hindi po talaga mura yung pamasahe sa mga legwork namin. To not let your life circumstances napaliitin yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Kasi you just have to work and work. Kasi dapat yung mga dreams mo na yan, hindi lang dreams. Kailangan mong i-motivate yung sarili mo para one time, yung dream na yan, hindi na yan yung dream mo, reality mo na yan.
The search for the Monster Scholar for the upcoming semester of school year 2025 to 2026. From the station that believes in the power of education. Manila's hottest, Monster, RX 93.1.